Hello, YouTube. This is my channel. I decided to start filming a how-to DIY video in the middle of the process. As you can see, I have my fabulous shower cap here. It's double plastic bags. And in case you're wondering, it's because I have a newborn and I am currently breastfeeding. So just in case he wakes up in the middle of his nap, I want to make sure that he does not come in contact at all with this hair dye. I'm using unicorn hair. It is in the color Charcoal by Lime Crime. I used pretty much all of the bottle. As you can see, there's maybe like a quarter left. There's a meniscus, very high meniscus, because the stuff is really thick. I have really long hair. It goes down past my shoulder blades, and I have been letting my hair go natural gray for the past couple of years. I would go to the salon and get a black silver ombre patina in my hair, but I haven't been able to leave the house for a while, being a mama, except for to go do my part-time job. And I decided to do some self-care and having some fun with this YouTube thing. I put this on my hair mostly all the way through. It's really thick. It didn't leak down into my scalp, which is awesome because I still want to show a little bit of that silver. I worked it all through. I didn't use a brush like I said. I just wore these nitrile gloves and worked it through my hair in sections, and I'm going to leave it on for 1 to 2 hours and let you know how it turns out in a little while. So anyway, thanks for watching my first DIY video.